What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Double O with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I just wanted to hop on camera to give you an update of the SMS Phone Leads. I want to show you some of the new features that this program has. They had updated this I think about a little over a week ago, and you could check out here in the back office of SMS Phone Leads. Now I use this program for a number of reasons. And most likely I use this program to market my other businesses that I'm already promoting in. And you can pretty much do the same too, because this is a SMS marketing platform. It's a text messaging platform where you can be able to send out a phone number where a person can either call or text your number, and automatically it will be a voice recording. Now the voice recording that will be set for you is the one that you're going to set up in the back office with your own voice, or you could also use someone else's voices in case if you don't want to use your voice. You can use it to be able to send out these voice recordings to your prospects, so it could be able to engage with them and be able to give them further instructions. So I'm gonna hover over here at the top. You can see it's where it says home. Now this is the home right here, and this is where your credits, amount of credit balance you have. Now, of course, you're going to have to buy credits, because on any SMS platform, you got to buy credits. So, as you can see the credits I have right here. You're going to have your affiliate link right over here. Now, let me be transparent with you. You must have a Stripe account in order to be able to have a link so you can be able to promote. So you got to be able to set up a Stripe account, and this is only runs on Stripe account. So right here on the left, you also have your numbers that you can purchase, and you can also purchase different numbers right here where it says buy SMS numbers, and they usually cost a little about $3 for each number, and you can use each number to promote, and you can have it directed to different businesses. So if you promote your primary business, you could promote it with your primary business. So one of the new features they have this SMS mind map right here, where you could be able to have a PDF. You could have you could access to different training. They'll show you training on how to use this program. When I hover over. Now, one thing that they got rid of is Ringless. So Ringless voicemail is no longer available for SMS Phone Lead. You have to get it with another third party. I'm going to have upcoming videos that talks about a Ringless voicemail and how you can be able to send your voicemails out to different prospects. Let's see. I'm going to hover over. They got partnership secrets. They got what they call SMS Custom. Now this is where you set up your voicemail. So you can set up for whatever number that you have that was assigned to you. And right here you're going to upload a file that have your own voice recorder. So this is where you're going to be able to tell people about a little bit about yourself. And you want to be able to keep it within under 50 seconds, just to be brief. And you could tell them, send them to the next step. Make sure that you read most of this. Now, this is optional for like steps 2 and 3 is as optional. But steps 5 and 6 is where you set up what type of text message that your leads are going to be receiving. So you want to make sure that you read all of this. It's they got rules and regulations that you must follow when you sharing out, man, and especially that goes with the SMS Blaster. This is from, I believe, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and after 9 p.m. you cannot be able to send text message blasts. These are what you could send out. You upgrade, and as you can see right here, like 200 leads per day is $39 a month. 1,000 leads per day is $79 a month. 2,000 leads per day is $139. So these are different product packages with the SMS Blaster, and they have instructions on how to do that. What's the requirements, the do's and don'ts. And also you have a video that you could check out that explains about SMS Blaster. You also have the SMS Interactive. This is where you could be able to send out a choice of 3 opportunities that you guys have. So whatever opportunity that you would have said, they got a choice. You can have your prospects to have a choice to click on whatever they want to check out, whatever business opportunity that you got, they want to check out. So you can basically see that. This is your SMS Vault. This is where all to get the access to the training step by step. The owner pretty much will go over a number of things, a number of questions that you may have to ask. They also have a Facebook group as well. So if you was to get started with the SMS Phone Leads, that's something to check out to get into that that Facebook group. That way you can answer certain questions and they get back in touch with you very quickly. I have them before when I had certain questions that concern. They made sure they got back in touch with me very, very fast. So that's something to very, very look for. And like I said, SMS Phone Leads is a business in a box. This is something that you can use also on the back end of whatever business that you want to promote. Text message marketing is very, very effective. This is something that you can use for your marketing business, because think about it, all the time when you're sending out doing email marketing, you don't always get those emails, those important emails out to your prospects. Usually they goes in, some of them go in the spam folder. So the open rate of email marketing is 15%. And if you're marketing the way you set your emails to go out and the way you write them, that's maybe 20%, if that. Versus text message marketing, where it's a 98% chance that a person going to open up their messages, because more people is on their devices all the time. You have people every day on their mobile devices. So out of like the first 30 to 90 seconds, a person is going to be opening up their messages. So that tells you that it is very, very ideal to use text message marketing just to add to what you have. So if you got a two hit punch with text message marketing and email marketing, your click-through rate and success rate of people opening your whatever you have to offer will rise up. So that's something that's very, very brilliant about SMS Phone Leads. Like I said before, you can check in the back office for additional training that you may want to know about. If you would like to get started with me in SMS Phone Leads, the link in the description will be below. I have also different training that I have as well. Once you get on board with me, I'll show you some different strategies that I use to market this, plus other additional strategies that y'all can use. All right, so that's all I really wanted to show you guys. Just a little bit of just a review on what this particular platform could do. You can hit me up on social media. You can hit me up on Facebook. I definitely will get in contact with you guys. And if you want to scale up your marketing, I'm here for that as well. All right, that is it for today. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.